Hello students, now we had studied about the 4 features of democracy. These are: first were, in a democracy the final decisions making power must rest with those elected by the people. Second, a democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Third, in a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. And fourth is, a democratic government rules within limits set by constitutional law and citizens' rights. Now, summary definition. Let us sum up the discussion so far. We started with a simple definition that democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. We found that this definition was not aquatic unless we explained some of the key words used in it. Through a series of examples, we worked out 4 features of democracy as a form of government. Accordingly, democracy is a form of government in which rulers elected by the people take all the major decisions. Election offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the current rulers. This choice and opportunity is available to all the people on an equal basis, and the exercise of this choice leads to a government limited by the basic rules of the constitution and citizens' right. So students, read the cartoon. Chinese government blocked free flow of information on the internet by placing restrictions on popular websites like Google and Yahoo. The image of tanks and unarmed students remind the reader of another major event in recent Chinese history. Find out about that event. So you have to do this exercise, students, and also here are some cartoons given in the page number 6 and 7. So read the cartoon. This cartoon was titled Building Democracy and was first published in a Latin American publication. What do money bags signify here? Could this cartoon be applied to India? You have to give the answer. And again, read the cartoon. This cartoon is about the Iraqi election held after Saddam Hussein's regime was overthrown. He is shown behind the bars. What is the cartoonist saying here? Compare the message of this cartoon with the first cartoon in this chapter. So students, make cartoons also and give the answers. Now check your progress. Read these 5 examples of working or Daniel of democracy. Match each of these with the relevant features of democracy discussed above. First example, King of Bhutan has declared that in future he will be guided by the advice given to him by elected representatives. So you have to match from here. Many Tamil workers who migrated from India were not given a right to vote in Sri Lanka. The king imposed a ban on political gatherings, demonstrations and rallies. The Indian Supreme Court held that the dissolution of Bihar Assembly was unconstitutional. Political parties in Bangladesh have agreed that a neutral government should rule the country at the time of elections. Here in the features, rule of law, respect for rights, one person, one vote, one value, free and fair electoral competition, major decisions by elected leaders. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने 4 मेन जो इसके फीचर्स है डेमोक्रेसी के उनको पढ़ा. रूलर सिलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल टेक ऑल द मेजर डिसीजंस. वह व्यक्ति जो कि लोगों के द्वारा चुना गया है वह क्या करेगा? बड़े बड़े डिसीजंस को ले सकेगा. इलेक्शंस ऑफर अ चॉइस एंड फेयर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू द पीपल हु चेंज द करंट रूलर्स. इलेक्शन बिल्कुल फेयर होना चाहिए और वो ऐसे होना चाहिए कि जो सत्ता में है उनके लिए और जो अपोजिशन में है उनके लिए बराबरी की डिसीजन देते हो, उसमें कोई भी हार सकता हो, कोई भी जीत सकता हो। द चॉइस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी इज अवेलेबल टू ऑल पीपल ऑन एन इक्वल बेसिस। जो लोग हैं, जो पीपल हैं, उनके पास बराबर की अपॉर्चुनिटी होना चाहिए कि कोई भी देश का, जो उस देश का नागरिक है, वो इलेक्शन में भाग ले सके और वोटिंग में भाग ले सके। द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चॉइस लीड्स टू अ गवर्नमेंट लिमिटेड बाय बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड सिटीजन्स राइट। और यह भी बहुत जरूरी है कि जो लीडर है, उसकी जो गवर्नमेंट है, तो यदि वो रूल कर रहा है तो वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के दायरे में ही करे और सिटीजन्स के राइट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए करे। सिटीजन्स के राइट्स पर प्रतिघात नहीं होना चाहिए। तो ये समरी है। 4 हमने इसके जो मेन फीचर्स हैं उनको पढ़ा। शुरू में हम जो सिंपल डेफिनेशन थी डेमोक्रेसी की, वो क्या थी कि डेमोक्रेसी इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन विच द रूलर्स आर इलेक्टेड बाय द people, for the people, by the people. So this is simple definition, and you have to make the cartoons and also give the answers and also do this exercise. This is the matching. You have to do this exercise, because if I will say you this exercise, then you will not do any hard work and you can do easily. So you have to read the chapter and do this exercise.